there, welcome back to Violin Inspiration. Today I'm going to teach you how to play For He's a Jolly Good Fellow on the violin. A jolly good fellow starts on the open A string and it starts with an up bow. And an up bow, as you remember, is bowing up towards the sky, so your hand is going upwards. If you want to make this song easier for yourself, try to keep the first finger on the string if you put the second finger on the string. So in the beginning of the song, put both fingers on the string directly, lift the second finger, put it back on again. So you will just have to lift your fingers instead of finding for other fingers all the time. I'm just lifting my fingers and not playing like this. So you see, it gets much harder if you keep all your fingers in the air all the time. Try to keep them on the string if you can. Also notice that the first three lines, the first two lines are the same as the line before the last line and that line before there. So those lines are very similar, and try to find places that are similar if you want to learn this song and play it by heart. I wish you good luck learning For He's a Jolly Good Fellow on the violin. If you like this tutorial, if it was helpful for you, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more violin tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.